Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to our online class. Myself Shraddha Miss and I will teach you general knowledge. Okay, first of all tell me, what did we learn in our previous lecture? Yes, we learned about lesson number 3, old to new. Okay. So now first we solve this lesson. Okay. If you have any doubt, then it will be clear. Okay. Now start. Match the old names of the places with the new ones. Okay. First one is Bangalore. Bangalore becomes Bengaluru. Okay. Now next Baroda. Baroda becomes Vadodara. Okay. Now next Bombay. Bombay becomes Mumbai. Next Calcutta. Calcutta becomes Kolkata. Next Cochin. Cochin becomes Kochi. Next Madras. Madras becomes Chennai. Next Panjim. Panjim becomes Panji. Next Patliputra. Patliputra becomes Patna. Next Pune. Pune becomes Pune. Next Prayag. Prayag becomes Allahabad. Next Simla. Simla becomes Shimla. Next Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram becomes Thiruvananthapuram. Next Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji becomes Sohra. Next Uttaranchal. Uttaranchal becomes Uttarakhand. Next Pondicherry. Pondicherry becomes Puducherry. Next and last Banaras. Banaras becomes Varanasi. Yes. Okay. Now our lesson number 3 is complete. So we start our new lesson. Lesson number 4. Group name guide. Give one word to denote the group of things given below. Okay. Now start. This is a crossword. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, what is a group word? Group words are nouns which refer to groups of people, animals or things. There are special group words for particular combinations of people, animals and things. Okay. Group words sometimes called collective nouns. Okay. Now start. Give one word to denote the group of things given below. First, a group of judges. What it called? Group name is panel. Okay. See, those are judges. Okay, it called panel. Now, next. A collection of cards. Group name is pack. Okay, so what it called? A pack of cards. See here, these all are collection of cards. Next, a collection of stars. Group name is galaxy. Okay, so what it called? A galaxy of stars. See here, there are so many stars. Okay, next, a group of fish. What it called? Group name is school. So it called a school of fish. Okay, see here, there are so many fish. So it called a school of fish. Next, a group of ants. What it called? It called colony. A colony of ants. See this video. There are so many ants. So, a colony of ants. Next, a group of singers. What it called? Choir. So, a choir of singers. See, they all are singers. Next, a collection of food. See in this video, there are so many woods, right? So, group name is bundle. So, what it called? A bundle of wood. See, bundle of wood. Next, a collection of cattle. Group name is herd. See, these all are herd. So, what it called? A herd of cattle. Right? Next, a group of mountain. What it called? Range. So, these all are mountain, right? So, it called a range of mountains. Okay. Now next, a group of dancers. What it called? Troupe. Right. See this video. They all are dancers. So it called a troupe of dancers. Right. Now next, a group of students. What it called? A class. Right. See this video. They all are students. So what it called? A class of students. Now next, a collection of cars. What is this? This collection of cars. It called fleet. So a fleet of cars. Now next, what is it? These are trees. Okay, a collection of trees. It called group. So a group of trees, right? There are so many trees. Now next, what is it? A group of geese. And what it called? Gaggle. So a group of geese, it called gaggle. A gaggle of geese, because there are so many geese, right? Next, wow, there are very beautiful flowers, right? What is it? A collection of flowers. So group name is bouquet. So what it called? A bouquet of flowers. Now next, a group of insects. Group name is swarm. Right? So it called a swarm of insects. See, there are so many insects, right? It called a swarm of insects. Next, a collection of stairs. It called flight. Right? See, a flight of stairs. There are so many stairs, right? Next, a group of people. Group name is crowd. There were so many people. See this video. Okay, so it called a crowd of people. There were so many people. So it called a crowd of people. Next, a group of workers. It called crew. Right. So a crew of workers. See in this video. There were so many workers, right? This is factory. Okay. Now next, a group of instrumentalists. It called orchestra. See this video. These are orchestra, right? A group of instrumentalists. Now next. Wow, juicy grapes, right? What it called? A group of grapes. It means a bunch of grapes. See. There were so many grapes, right? So, it called a bunch of grapes. Next, there were so many books. See? Yes, a group of books, right? It called library. Right? A library of books. Next. Oh, lion. A group of lion. It called pride. A pride of lion. See, there are so many lions. So it called a pride of lion. Next, a collection of pictures. It called album. See. A collection of pictures. It means a album of pictures. Next. Wow, there are so beautiful clothes, right? A group of clothes. It called wardrobe, right? See. A wardrobe of clothes. Next, a group of bees. See here. There are so many bees, right? It called hive. Right? A hive of bees. Next, a group of soldiers. It called army, right? A army of soldiers. C. A group of soldiers. A army of soldiers. Right? Now, I'll repeat all the lesson. They are judges, right? So it called a panel of a panel of judges, right? C. Next, a collection of cards, right? So it called a pack of cards, because there are so many cards, right? So it called a collection of cards. Group name is a pack of cards. Right? Next. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, right? A collection of stars. It called a galaxy of stars. See, there are so many stars, right? Next. Yeah, this is aquarium, right? A group of fish. Yes, it called a school of fish. There are so many fish. Next, a group of ants. It called a colony of ants. See, there are so many ants, right? So it called a colony of ants. Next, a choir of singers. A group of singers. It called a choir of singers. They all are singers. Next, a collection of food. See, a collection of food, right? It called a bundle of food. See, a collection of wood. A bundle of wood. Next, a group of cattle. It called a herd of cattle. Next, a group of mountains. There are so many mountains, right? A group of mountains. It called a range of mountains. Next, a group of dancers. See, a troupe of dancers. Next, a group of students. It called a class of students. Right? Next, wow, there are so many beautiful cars. Right? It called a collection of cars. A fleet of cars. See, there are so many cars, right? So it called a fleet of cars. Next, a collection of trees. See, there are so many trees, right? So it called a grove of trees. Next, a group of geese. A group of geese. It called a gaggle of geese. Right? Next, wow, there are so many beautiful flowers. Right? You like flower? I like very much. Huh? A collection of flowers. It called a bouquet of flowers. Next, a collection of stairs. It called a flight of stairs. Right? Next, a group of insects. It called a swarm of insects. See, there are so many insects. Butterfly, grasshopper, ladybug, cockroach, honeybee, right? So, it called a swarm of insects. Next, a group of people. It called a crowd of people. Next, a group of workers. It called a crew of workers. Right? There are crew. A group of workers. Right? A crew of workers. Next, a group of instrumentalists. It called a orchestra of instrumentalists. Right? This is orchestra. Okay. Next, juicy grapes. Right? A group of grapes. It called a bunch of grapes. See, this is bunch of grapes. Next, a collection of books. It called a library of books. You are all missing your library, right? I also miss you. A library of books. Next, a group of lions. It called a pride of lion. Next, a collection of pictures. It called a album of pictures. See, there are so many photos, pictures, right? So it called a album of pictures. Next, there are so many beautiful clothes, right? It called a collection of clothes. A wardrobe of clothes. Right? Next, a group of bees. It called a hive of bees. There are so many bees. Next, a group of soldiers. What it called? A army of soldiers. Right? So, now we are finished our lesson. Right? Thank you so much everyone. I hope you all are enjoying our lesson. Okay. Now, see you in our next lecture. Bye bye. See you. Take care. Stay home and stay safe. Bye.